Hey guys, what is up? It is your favorite Minecraft YouTuber back at it with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to jailbreak your phone. So first step, we go to this site, CDA Impacto, like this. Oh, 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 like this. CDA Impacto, and we go to you have to choose which one. So we are on Windows. You click. You see down here, bottom left, say 2 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Just wait for this to download. Okay. Alright. Well, now 20 seconds. Then we need another file. So we search Electra. You click on the oh, don't see my address here. I go to Kustam. Just wait for this to download. I'm in incognito, so the FBI cannot track me. Okay. We download non-dev account. Okay. Okay. This one has 2 minutes. Okay. Alright. Next step. Go to you go to applelg.apple.com. Okay. Do not track my email. Okay. Someone hacked into my account. 1 second, please. Okay. Hold on. 1 moment, please. Okay, and so here we see account page once you log in, and under security generate password. This type you are gay. Specifically, you have to type this. Okay, you then get you are gay code. You then copy. Okay, copy. Click done. Okay, then we close this browser. Okay, then we open Impacto. And then we extracto, yes, extract. For me, yep, do this. Okay, and then I have to open this. And then, if you're first time running, you do not have to do this, but you might get this error. So just do this first. So Xcode, revoke certificates, revoke. Then you enter email. Then the password you just made, you put this in here, okay? And then boom. Okay, and then you go to downloads, yeah? Downloads, and then you see Electra right here. You go boop, like this. Boop. And you put in email, and you put in same password from that website, okay? And then you okay. Okay, now it is done. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.